Okay, I've got a Hallmark recordable book here that is no longer working. I have two actually. This one was not working as well. I tried replacing the batteries, that didn't work. Had to do a little fix on it, and now it is working. So what you will need to make this work is a Phillips head screwdriver, a butter knife, or anything else you want to use. You could just use the screwdrivers to scrape some of the corrosion away. 3 new AAA batteries, and a very small piece of tin foil. So this is a very large piece. That little corner is what I used to fix the last one. So this book is not working, and we are going to try to make it work again, because these things have a problem with corrosion. So screwdriver, take the battery door off. Alright, battery door's off. Take the batteries out. You can already see the corrosion on the batteries, so we know that there's something wrong here. And this one is actually not looking too bad, the single battery. So, what I've had to do in the past is take a small piece of tin foil. Just gonna rip about that much, so it's maybe 3/4 of an inch by a 1/2 inch. Tinfoil nowadays has a dull side and a shiny side. I'm just gonna use the shiny side out. So fold it with the shiny side out once, and then fold it again. You're basically just making a piece that you can fold over that piece of plastic in the middle, because the rivet that connects the two batteries a lot of times gets corroded, and then it will not connect the circuit. So there is our piece of tin foil that we're going to use. Save that. Take this butter knife. I'm going to scrape this back spring a little bit. Just kind of rough it up. See if you get any of that green corrosion to come off. Don't really need to scrape this because we're going to replace it, but I just want to show you. You can see that blue corrosion in there, and for good measure we'll scrape that piece as well. Alright, take your piece of tin foil, fold it right over that. So let's see here, you got it in there. It's folded over. Take our new batteries. There's 1, 2, and 3.
This is a story of impossible things, of a baby and angels, of shepherds and kings. And though it took place from a poor humble stable came a new...
Alright, so it's working. All we got to do now, put that door back on, close it up, and it's back in business. I would recommend that if you have a book from somebody that you just don't want to lose the recording of, once you get it working again, record it onto another device like a phone, save it on your computer, whatever you want to do. These things are not that reliable, as you can tell.